this is Scott Letourneau with NCP and Sales Tax System. I'm based here in the U.S. and we specialize in helping e-commerce sellers launch their business U.S. with entity formations, banking, tax compliance. And we've been doing that since 1997. And over the years, I've worked with many different web developers and designers and mostly been frustrated with parts and pieces that could be done. I get somebody that's good at branding but not good at coding, or vice versa. And I finally found a company and a resource that's been awesome in all the areas you need for web development. That's Hamid and the HTML Pro team. I've been working with them the last year. They've been amazing with redesigning my websites, fixing some of the pages, everything from sitemaps to branding, to updating all my PDFs to images. It's been amazing to work with them.